check out this 2019 Daihatsu Hijet with lift kit. This is a dual range 4-wheel drive with just 19,000 Ks. She's just arrived from Japan. You can be the first Aussie owner of this magnificent off-road beast. It's a little small beast, 660 cc's. This one's got a lift kit, off-road wheels and tyres, heavy duty tow bar. It's got a rubber mat in the back. That's a Fluffy dog in the back. He's the sales manager. His name's Fluffy. He doesn't come with the car. Sorry about that. We're not giving you away, Fluff. Don't worry about it. This is a jumbo. It's got the extra space for large people. You can put luggage behind the seats. It's got this terrific little front protection bar with a dash plate underneath. And it's a little rocket ship. These things go amazingly well. And they're road registerable anywhere in Australia. They come with full Australian compliance, air conditioning, power steering, and it's got high and low range with rear diff lock, electric windows, keyless central locking, dual airbags. It's a pretty sophisticated little car. That's your low range lever here. That's your 4-wheel drive button and your rear diff lock button. That's your odometer. Oops, 19,000 kilometers. She's available at Edward Lee's Imports. Thanks for watching.